DTF, here is your DTF. That's about 2.5 cars, 2 cars and a chili, huh? Babe, that's a lot.
Now this is a gang sheet. Gang, gang.
Hey guys, welcome back to FCD Vinyl and Apparel. All I want to say is thank you so much for everyone who's been reaching out about our DTF services. We've been having overwhelming orders of DTF and we're so happy that we can serve you guys, not just in our Cypress community, but all over the United States. We've been getting orders. So today we're going to show you gang sheets, and we're gonna show you a big order that we have, and just keep bringing the videos. You guys keep telling me, I love you and your husband's videos. Keep making videos, So today is Saturday, and we have a big order to fill with our DTF services. This specific company wants us to press them on shirts for them, so we're gonna go ahead and show you, as you saw the intro, the longest DTF sheet. I don't even know what size this is.
Might be the longest one in the world. Might have broke a record.
Yeah, so we're gonna lay Carl down next. Carl's 6'4". So I'm gonna lay him down next to our DTF sheet to show you how big and how many Carls this is. So let's see. Smile for the camera. So this is... So he's 6'4". That only takes up like 1% of what is DTF. So I counted it. This is 11 sheets of DTF services. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. 11 sheets. So imagine if if you sold each one of these sheets for $20. Look how much $20 monies this is.
Gang, gang. This is the real gang sheet.
This is a gang sheet.
You don't get this at Supercolor.
You don't?
You cannot get this at Supercolor. Tell them, babe. You cannot get this at Supercolor.
You cannot get this at Supercolor. This is a gang sheet here.
Yeah. You can only get this at FCD Vinyl and Apparel.
FCD Vinyl and Apparel. Taller than my husband, 6'4". So this is about 3 of you.
Oh, probably.
This is so funny. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut up, get these pressed, and get these out, get this video out. Stop slaying there. And we just wanted to show you guys, we are out here working. We have a few more orders that I'm about to fill with our DTF. We just had someone that is ordered 14 sheets. So that's longer than this, because this is 11 sheets, all put together, 22 by 24. So they ordered 14, so it'll be like this much longer. I can't wait. And it's gang sheets too, so I can't wait. I'll be sure to record that as well. So this is us. Saturday, beautiful Saturday, straight out of content. FCD in the building. We will hit you back in a minute.
All right, let's put it in the back.
Go to the lab.
Look at the detail. And that's not even a vector file. This is what it looks like when it's not a vector file. See all that? And then this is, see how smooth that is? That's a vector file. Going to the back. Going to the back.
Okay, so I need to cut.
Only at FCD Vinyl and Apparel. Want me to help hold it? Okay.
With 7 in it.
Yeah, I'd much rather do this than weed, right? If this is all, I mean, obviously yours won't, obviously guys, yours won't come like this. It'll already be cut out, but we're just showing you guys what we can do.
It might come like like that? If
No.
they order 1 million sheets, I'm not gonna cut it up. I'm gonna
Oh,
just roll
yeah.
it up and send it off.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Yeah, yours might come like this.
If you order a lot of sheets, it might come like this,
Yeah,
which is cool too.
yeah.
It's good
Be
content.
careful with this one because this one's a lot closer than the last one. Be careful. See the Y and the just? It's a lot closer.
All right, so I went ahead and chopped them all up, just so they can fit on my table. I definitely am gonna have to individually cut these out to press on a shirt, which is a lot better than weeding, a lot better than layering, a lot better than sublimating, a lot better than anything that I can think of. So I'm okay with that. I want to take a look at this gang sheet here. We had a few images to put on here. So we went ahead and just a random sheet. But we did want to show you this. We wanted to put a straight out of content on there, but this one is not vectored. So I wanted you to kind of take a close look. If you see here, can the camera pick that up? Yeah, how it's kind of digitized and blurry and not vectored. So if you look at these lines and then look at these vector file lines, straight, smooth. So that is the importance of getting a vector file versus just a regular JPEG. So this is just a regular JPEG, this is vector file. It's very important because you want those smooth lines, you want your images at its highest quality. Look at this, not any flaws, highest quality. So if you don't know anything about vector files, if you aren't aware of any of that, we do convert those for you for a $10 fee, which is nothing. And we can definitely help you get that highest resolution in your DTF prints. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these pressed so I can notify all of our customers that their orders are ready today.
All right, guys, we're gonna start. Try to set up the camera here. I forgot my camera. Well, my camera's filming my live Canelo fight thing right now. So what we're gonna do right now is take all of these, put them on all these shirts and press them. And you guys will see how fast we can do this. Because you can't really do this that fast with vinyl and other processes. So, and everything else will make you have to order a bunch. Like if you were to do this with screen printing, you'd have to order a bunch, whereas with us, you don't have to. So let's go ahead and let's get pressing.
So this is our very last shirt. We ran through this. We had some customers come in. We had some conference calls, but we got through it. It's been a busy morning. So we got all 20 shirts front and back.
Yeah, you can It was only 6 seconds.
It's 6 to 8.
Oh,
Off shirts, front and back here, front and back. So we can go ahead and call Playland, which is a play facility in Pearland. I can go ahead and link that below and let her know that well, we're actually gonna fold these up. Let her know that her order is ready.
do we have the old ones of these to compare what they used to look like, or no?
They look the same.
No, remember? Which one was, these were fuzzy?
No, they were never fuzzy. They look the same.
Oh,
Yep. All right, so that's going to be end of our video. If you guys are interested in the DTF services, contact us at fcdvinylandapparel.com. We have a web page there kind of explaining the services, explaining the prices. I have some videos on there so you can kind of see how this process is done, more videos. So contact me and then I can walk you through the process, and we'll see you next time. Bye.